Hi, my name is Captain Sal. I captain a 2019 86-foot Sunseeker. Great boat, by the way. I just had the Yacht Controller installed, and that's because when we first got the boat, I had the dock mate installed, which I thought was great, but it had broken on me once. Another time I had to get a part replaced, and now the bow thruster and stern thruster wouldn't work, and it was going to take them a week to come and troubleshoot it. Yacht Controller said they'll come in the next day and install this for me, and gave me a good deal, so I gave it a go, and response is much better. I liked that I could feel the buttons. The other ones were flat buttons and they didn't light up. I had to have this light on my head at night to see where to hit the buttons on that. Tested it out. It seems to work fine. The responses are good, and I think I'll be happy with it. Thank you, Tony Yacht Controller.